Hello everyone, welcome to another English vocabulary lesson for beginners with Miss Nadia. Today we will be looking at jobs. We will be learning the words for 15 jobs in English. Are you ready to repeat after me? Let's start. A fireman. A fireman. A police officer. A police officer. A waiter. A waiter. A teacher. A teacher. A chef. A chef. A shop assistant. A shop assistant. A builder. A builder. A mechanic. A mechanic. A pilot. A pilot. A nurse. A nurse. A bus driver. A bus driver. A student. A student. An engineer. An engineer. A lawyer. A lawyer. A receptionist. A receptionist. It's grammar time. When do we use a or an? Pause the video and go back and look at the jobs. Can you work out the rules yourself? Before we look at the rules, remember that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And the rule is use a before nouns that begin with a consonant. Use an before nouns that begin with a vowel. And now let's look at some examples. An engineer. A student. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and you want to be notified of new lessons.